Hey guys, Troy here. This is Stronger by Hillsong, but it's a Bethel rendition that we found on YouTube that we love. So what I did is the parts that I could hear, I tried to replicate as best as possible. So like the turn, the intro, the instrumental, I think those are pretty close to what Mike Pope is actually playing here. And then the parts that I couldn't hear, I just kind of made up and did something that I thought sounded good with the song. So that's more of me in there, I guess. So if you're looking for like what parts are actually played throughout this whole rendition, this is probably not going to help too much because they haven't actually released a version of the song, so I can't hear the parts all the way. But if you're looking for some different ideas on how to approach this song, then I think it'd be helpful for you. And I love this song, man. I mean, it's got to be 10 years old, I think, at least, when Hillsong released it. But this whole song gives you the Christian, the believer, this reminder, this security that Jesus is stronger. So we don't have to have the strength to overcome our sin. He is the one, the Holy Spirit in us is how we overcome our sin. So it's not our strength, it's His. So my son's playing drums now, which is awesome. So in our weakness, He is strong, right? So we have to always remember that He is the one that's stronger. We have nothing to bring to the table. That's His strength in us. And at the end of this thing, we get to look at Him face to face. And I can't wait, like, if there's going to be a moment where I can just thank Him for the strength that He's given me in this life, on this side of things. I know without Him, I would have just crumbled by now. And because of Him, I feel like He just helps me walk every day. And I know there's probably a lot of you guys out there that feel the same way. If you want the pedal board shot, the tablature, explanation of tones and stuff, that's over at GuitarforHISGLORY.com, so you can check that out. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy this playthrough of Stronger by Bethel, but originally by Hillsong. See you guys.